What do you want, huh? How's your baby inside there, huh? You okay? You eat a lot already, huh? Lick, lick, lick. Every time, baby. Oh, you alright? You alright? You alright? Okay, you alright? Okay. Don't worry, don't worry. It will be soon, right? Okay. You will have a baby soon, right? Yes, you will born a baby soon. Don't worry, okay? You have enough food. You know you have enough food. Viva, no. Viva, Viva. No. Not you, Viva. Okay, Viva, not you. Okay, not you. Lick is pregnant. You okay? You fine? You know. Don't do that to her. Okay? Okay? Yes. Go for a walk then. Don't do that to Lick. Lick is very very afraid to you. You like a boss, you know. Go that way. Go that way. Not here. Not here. Where's your master? You know, where's your master? Huh? Viva. No. We don't have anything, you know. We don't have anything. Click. Yeah. Shake hand. Look at your back. Yeah, look at your belly. Bigger now, right? Of course. You will become a mother soon, right? Yes. You will become a mother soon. Or a young mother, right? The first time for you to have a baby. Okay, take care for your baby, okay? Okay, don't worry, okay? You will be okay, right? Huh, like? You will be okay, right? You will be okay, like? Shake hand. Give me your hand. Okay. What about another hand? Another leg? No? Okay. Oh, another one here. Okay, here another one. This one. Okay. Front leg. You have front leg. I can see your belly is growing bigger and bigger. It will soon, right? It will soon. But I'm not sure when your baby is born, right? Like? Okay, just stay home, okay? Just stay home. Be safe from another bad guy, okay? Yes. Stay home. Don't trust others, okay? Don't trust another dog. They might bite you. Even though chocolate is not so good sometimes, he always take your food, you know. Chocolate worries. Naughty boy. Chocolate is your husband, right? Or what? Or who's that? As you know that, I think 1 month already. Yeah, 1 month passed by and passed to another month right now. It's almost 2 months, right? So how many days will the baby born? I'm not sure yet because I never had expert on it. Yes. Okay. You will be alright. And mostly, during baby time, the dogs a bit, hungry and tired, the same as, of human being, Yes. You alright? Huh? You alright, huh? You wanna take shower? You wanna take shower, Alex? You wanna take shower? Hmm? You wanna take shower, huh? Sorry, I'm okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Okay, you will be alright, okay? And no, not so stingy, okay? Not so like mean, not too mean, okay? Just be gentle. Many people will love you. You love baby, okay? No bites, okay? No bite at all. Look at the sharp teeth. Look at your sharp teeth, top teeth. Look at your sharp teeth. Look at your sharp teeth, Lick. Stay home, okay? Lick, stay home, okay? Don't go anywhere else, okay? Stay home. Look at your teeth. Very voice. You have a white teeth. You are very nice. Yeah. Touch my hand then. Touch my hand. Touch. Come on. Touch my hand. Yeah? Yes, okay. You go bigger and bigger, how much? Where you going, huh? Where you going, Leg? Oh, you change the place. Or sleeping. Take a break, eh? Walk properly.